Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisyah Maulidi Wartabone. I'm from class A and right now I'm on my third semester. So I would like to talk about English book written by Siti Washida, Asep Gunawan and Diantari by Kemdikbud 2018. The purpose of this book is to teach students in junior high school class 9. In this video, I would like to explain about two chapters of different materials. In chapter 1, the material is this is how you do it, and in chapter 2, the material is what is it. So let's get into the video. Chapter 1, this is how you do it. In this chapter, the material explain about procedure text, which means tells the student or showing the student how to make or to do something, or a type of text that serves to inform the reader about the steps to do something. Here are the example of the procedure text, and this is the generic structure of procedure text. There are the title and the goal, which are brief description of what will be done. Next, materials needed, a list of what are needed, which may include ingredients, utensils, materials, tools, etc. And last, steps to accomplish what has to be done. The linguistic elements used in this procedure text are using temporal conjunction of sequence adverbs, for example, first, second, etc. Using imperative sentence, for example, combine sugar, heat the mixture for a few minutes, place a generous spoonful of cubed avocado. The tenses in this text use simple present tense. Use numbers to show the sequence of activities. In procedure text, students will be taught how to arrange steps which have to be done in order to do something. In this case, teachers should help students to arrange their daily activities step in effective way. Next, we move to chapter 2. What is it? In this chapter, the material explains about descriptive text, which means portrays the image of a certain thing from which a writer wants to transfer it to readers. Mostly, descriptive text describe the image of a certain person, animals, things, and location or place. Here are the example of descriptive text, and this is the generic structure of descriptive text. There are identification, an introduction to the object or things, describe which includes who or what, when, where, and lastly description, a description of an object. The linguistic elements used in this descriptive text are the use of verbs in the present tense, use of certain nouns, the use of detailed noun phrases or detailed information on nouns that describe, state the amount, and classify. Use relating verbs to provide information about a subject. The use of thinking verbs or feeling verbs that show the author's personal view of the subject being told. And last, use of action verb. Descriptive text is very important because the purpose of descriptive text is to describe something like person, animals, and place. So, mastering descriptive text can support the students when they want to describe something. Also, in writing a descriptive text, students can increase their vocabulary and improve their comprehension in writing. The writer thinks that a descriptive text makes students develop their imagination, especially in written text in English. So I think that's enough for my explanation. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.